A late-night car accident occurred near Shillong Civil Hospital at around 12 midnight when a vehicle lost control and crashed into the footpath railing, causing significant damage. Upon arrival at the scene, authorities found that a Hyundai i20 with registration number ML05Y2116, driven by one Ilyas Simyong of 19 years of age, had collided with the metal railing on the roadside. Along with him was a 17-year-old passenger, Yomiki Kongsdale. The two were reportedly travelling towards Lumdingri after departing from Barik area when the incident had taken place. The impact of the crash was severe, but both individuals escaped with minor injuries. They were immediately taken to the Shillong Civil Hospital for medical evaluation. According to the police, while awaiting the official medical report, initial findings suggest that the driver and passenger were under the influence of alcohol. It is suspected that overspeeding and intoxication contributed to the loss of control, leading to the accident. Authorities are conducting further investigations into the matter.
Ya, Pak.